We track the online retail and online market in India in terms of market size, and we do forecast online buyers, which categories companies customers are buying, and so according to us, the market is actually growing at a very rapid pace, but the overall size is still very less than 1% of the total retail market. But
Less than 1%.
yes, so the if you see the overall size was $3.9 billion in 2014, and this is going to be around 31 billion in 2019. So by 2019 or 20, our overall total retail market is going to be around $1 trillion. So if you compare the size, the online retail is going to be very small, maybe 2 to 3% of the total retail market at that point of time. But the bigger thing is the impact of web or internet is very big on the offline retail sales, and that's the big thing the retailers have to take care of, because customers are researching everything about product or service they're going to buy. They are doing research even while in office, at houses, and even while making the purchase in stores. So this is going to impact the offline retail sales much more than it was previously. So the impact of web is a much bigger thing than the online retail sales. For us, e-commerce is going to be m-commerce, because most of the purchase is going to be on mobile phones, because most of our online buyers which are going to come in next 3 to 5 years are from mobile, not from desktop, because we have very less PC penetration.
Okay.
So
What does that mean, PC penetration?
because if you see the number of PC users in India per thousand is very less, because not many houses have PCs in India, especially in tier 2, tier 3, tier 4. If you go, PC or laptop is not like TV in every house, but mobile phone, smartphone is everywhere. So most of the new customers are going to purchase or feel the e-commerce thing from the mobile phone itself. So that's going to change the offline sales market, because mobile is handy. You can do your research anywhere when you are traveling, or when you are just waiting for someone to meet. So the research part is going to influence the offline retail sales, and that's a much bigger thing. So we think that the offline retail sales or retailers should focus on providing omni-channel presence to the customers. So if a customer is purchasing something in your retail store, or whether he's buying something from your website or from mobile phone, he should feel the same customer experience, and he should be served similarly. So that should be a good point for retailers to consider in next 3 to 5 years, because the sales are going to be very well impacted by the online. We are actually tracking the industry as a whole. So, so what we think is, as of now, everyone is looking for growing the customer traction, and they have enough money to increase the user base as of now. But and this will go maybe around 3 to 4 years or 5 years, because the customer base is very small. We have around 36 million online buyers as of now, and if the companies are looking for a bigger size of online retail market, they should have at least 150 or 200 million online customers. Then only we have a bigger online retail market, and then they can start talking about profitability and those kind of things. So as a company, we track the overall retail market. We normally don't comment on individual companies, because that's something we don't do.